Hello, my friends. Elias here with EG Construction, your best option. And we are at Rancho Bernardo today, starting a kitchen remodel and a flooring remodel. At this project, we're gonna remodel the whole flooring. They have two different floorings and they're just outdated marble right here. So we're gonna replace all that, replace the baseboards. We are going to paint the whole thing, ceilings and walls as well. Right here in the kitchen, we are going to remove the soffit so we can have the same line, the same ceiling line. And we are going to redo the whole cabinets, bigger island, new cabinets, custom made. We are at the office of our cabinet maker, San Diego Custom Cabinets, and we are with one of our customers finalizing the design process so we can start the kitchen remodels. You like it?
Yes, I like it.
And today we're gonna start moving all the furniture. We talked to the client and we are trying to put all the furniture on this room. We're not gonna touch this room on this phase of the remodel. So everything's gonna be right here. We're gonna move everything from the cabinets, whatever they left, we're gonna box it and move it to that same area. And then we're gonna start with the demolition of the flooring. The whole tile is off right now. It is a mess. I started cleaning up everything. We're putting all the tile on the dump truck. You can see the progress today. Let's go to the other side. Most of the cabinets are off. They are working on taking off the soffit right here on the kitchen. So you can see all the 2x6s are coming off. And the goal is to have the same height on the ceiling right here. It used to be a little bit recessed, a little down, as you can see right there. There's a couple things that we need to adjust, like this duct right here. I can see height that I'm assuming, because of the look of it, I'm assuming that used to be like a vacuum system that is not on use anymore. So that's gonna have to be canceled. And we're gonna have to run some of the cables through the joists. All those unforeseens, of course, you don't know until you start the demolition process. Day 4 of the remodeling. We need to put all the outlets up to code and we need to run new lighting. All the electrical needs to get done. This wall that we're removing, it seems to be good at the beginning, but whenever we start the demolition, we find out that it was a little moldy. So we are removing the whole drywall basically on the kitchen. We are going to start with the installation of the floors. First step, yesterday they flowed the floors. And today, first thing that they came and do is to scrape the excess of thin set. And then they make all these lines that you're seeing on the floor. This is so they can reference where their tiles are gonna be. Right here is very easy to follow the lines, right? But if you don't do those reference lines, whenever you have a place like this that you're gonna change directions, you can easily lose the line. So usually people start from the entrance, but in this case, they already know exactly where every tile is gonna be. They can start basically from the center, from one side, from the other, whatever. They don't have to follow any kind of order. He's taking all the cuts and marking so he can start with the full pieces right there. So not all the tile setters have the same system, but in my opinion, this you can set a lot of tiles with this very fast.
This is a little tricky right here because the flow don't go all the way. Because it has to flow with the trowel. Make sure it's enough to insert.
So all the tile installation is done. They are routing today. So we are on the grouting process. We are using a Prism brand grout today. It does include the sealer, so it doesn't have to be sealed on top of it. It's using a haystack color. You can see how it does look wet. It's a little darker than what my client wanted. And this is the way that it looks already dry. Today we still need to move a couple of the plumbings. We are going to replace the angle stops right here and installing another angle stop for the dishwasher. It used to be like a hose, but if I have the option to do an angle stop right now, I'll do it. I like it better. We still need to do the air conditioner right there, put it on the right location, and we used to have this duct for the air conditioner going to the living room through my soffit, and we are going to see how we can relocate that to this side of the living space. I'm seeing a hole right there. I'm gonna jump right now and see if it's possible to. I'm gonna have to find a way to bring that pipe or another one like the splice from the AC that we have in the hallway. That one. All right, so for now it's everything that we're doing today. If you have any questions, any concerns, any kind of comments that helps us be better, please let us know. It really helps. Make a comment, and thank you very much for all your support, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.